Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and it's fun time. Today I'm gonna let you guys how to make slime again. First we need some clay, put it in there, and we need some dishwash. And we're gonna mix that up. Okay, so if you want to put in hot water, that's okay, but I recommend it so don't put too much water in it or else it's not gonna be slime. This takes forever to melt. Alright, it's melting. Okay, so now that you get your clay to melt, we need to make our activator. So we need to put in some washing powder, the one that you use to put in your clothes. And we need some fabric softener. And we also need some water. So you wait for a second. Okay, here goes some water. And you gotta mix it up. So let's use this spoon instead. Okay, so once that's done, you could put it into your melted clay. Wait a minute. All right, it's completely melted. So let's put in, oopsie, wow, too much. Let me just, all right. Okay, so you need to take some time. Okay. Alright, so see, it becomes slime now, finally. So it's kind of sticky because I can't put too much in there, too much of that water in it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that like button if you enjoy it, and always stay happy. Bye!